We are
Birds!
birds.
Halotori and Halotori intern.
Alright, let's start. Make nikujaga. 危ない危ない。
Oh, guys, after very good.
Oishi desu. It's a very homey flavor. Like it feels like this is something I would eat as a kid and want to eat, like want to come home and eat, you know, after like a long day. We do happen to have the queen of fried chicken with us today. You have to make your signature dish for us.
I wanna eat, please.
Let's go, shall we? Let's go! Well, I actually have the perfect thing right here.
Oh, Jimmy, no! Oh my God, Jimmy! Take me instead, take me!
No, sorry, Jimmy. If anyone's qualified to do this, it's me. Jimmy, come on! Come, Becky. I think maybe he needs to be a bit smaller. Don't you?
Really?
Come, Becky. Thank you, Jimmy, for your contribution.
God, this is so sad.
It's okay.
Hey,
Hollow En soup is
Nerissa.
good. What?
Nerissa. Why Nerissa?
Eh?
Sorry, I got a job. Okay, see you.
Let's give her a chance, maybe.
So yeah, he's so cute, isn't he? So just boop, right in there.
Not cutting.
Yeah, you know, if we cook it long enough, it'll like disintegrate.
Why 大丈夫? Why 大丈夫? Why Nerissa? Why?
We still have the
No,
sapling.
大丈夫よ.
Yeah, well, I guess that's fine.
So let's go ahead and keep them in. However, it looks like something from Hololive, right?
And no.
No, don't you think? I'm sure it's delicious.
I don't want to eat.
Let's eat it. Let's eat it.
No, no,
Let's
Oh
eat
my
it.
God.
It's fine. You guys have to taste it.
Oh my God.
You don't have a choice. Get back here. Itadakimasu.
Same timing. No.
It's really not that bad.
What have you
my
eaten
God.
all your life?
It's not that bad. It's fine.
You delicious?
Yeah. I'll try again. See?
Maybe hers tastes different.
Oh my God.
Is it the same?
Yeah, same. Yeah, same.
Cannot.
Congratulations, lady debut. Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Where are you going?
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
ごちそうさまでした。
肉じゃが食べよう、
いや、
肉じゃが。
肉じゃが。
ふわもこルンバルンバルンバふわもこルンバはー